Yeah, what's good, YouTube? You already know, man. It's your boy Sauce Boy, and today we just about to go and take this car to the shop right now, trying to really figure out what's really going on. When I tried starting it, then start again, so I had to ask the neighbor for some booster cables, and I'm saying jump that shit. It jumped, it turned on, and then I ain't even gonna lie, when I'm driving, I be hearing some weird ass noises, man. I ain't even gonna lie, man. Making some weird ass clunking noises, man. I don't even know. Oh, someone's calling me. Hold on. My boy called me. Give me a second. Yo.
Yo.
Yeah, what's the vibes, bro?
Yeah, I'm telling you, you on the way?
Yeah, I'm going there now, but yo.
A few moments later.
Okay, you be there like what, like 20 minutes?
Yeah, 20 minutes. Alright, say no more. But yeah, you know, my car be making some weird ass noises. I ain't even gonna lie, so I'm just about to head to the shop right now so we can actually try and figure out what's really good with this, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I'll play it for a little bit so you guys can actually hear when I'm driving, so you can hear the sound that I'm talking about. Let's see, what is that? Oh, look, it says hood open. My hood ain't even open. So much shit I gotta do, man. This fucking car driving me crazy. Alright, you guys listen. I'll try to close the window so you can hear it properly with no wind. You hear that? Oh, you heard that again? I think that was one of them. Nah, maybe that was the road. Shway. Man, wait for the beeping to start. Oh my god. All types of fucking noises, man. Man, now that I have it on camera, it's not doing it as much. This is fucked up. It was doing it like crazy earlier. I need a low key take back roads, man. I'm trying to get. Woo! Look at that. Oh, my brakes. I need new brakes too. What the fuck? Finding new shit, one shit at a time, man. Finding new shit. You know what I'm saying? One thing at a time. Some bullshit. Yeah, my brakes are fucked. I think I need new brakes. Let me see if you can hear here. Y'all hear that? You hear all that shit? I don't know what the fuck that sound is, but shit. Sound going on in the front. Cause I feel it like on my pedal coming through from the front. Yep, you hear that? Y'all hear all them noises that it's doing? I don't know what the fuck that is. I don't know if it's a suspension or not, but something going on. Gotta figure this out. But yeah, you know, oh shit, I'm gonna have to bring back the fucking brightness back up again, man. But yeah, man, I'm about to go to the shop right now, so when I get over there, I'll turn you back on the top y'all in, you know what I'm saying? Man, listen to that noise. What the fuck is that? That shit annoying, I ain't even gonna lie. But yeah, man, I'll turn the camera back on when I get to the shop. Woo! Brakes are bad as fuck. But yeah, when I get to the shop, I'll turn the camera back on and I'll keep y'all updated on what the vibes is. I'm gonna meet up with my boy over there. He's gonna meet me over there, so he can drive me back to the crib. But yeah, until then, I'll see y'all. You know the vibes, man. I just dropped off my car shop, so right now we're just at my other boy's shop. I'm saying the boy French, he needs to get on part for his car. We got mechanic French in the car right here, man. Right here, bro.
I feel like I need a skinny screwdriver to fucking
something. Let's see, trying to get
this part for his mechanic
car.
On earth, nigga.
Let him know, man.
Mechanic drip you like this, bro?
I lie, look at the drip. Jeez.
Oh.
With the whites too, man. You know we gotta have the whites on.
You got the wipes, eh?
Yeah, right there.
Oh, you want to pop one out for me, okay? Yes, man.
Yes, sir. Better screwdriver, alright, man. But yeah, this is basically fucking, you know, my boy has a Bimmer yard. what I'm saying? He be working on Beamers, flipping them type shit. So that's basically what he be doing, you know what I'm saying? We're out here trying to get some parts, man. I'm gonna need a bunch of parts in my car, I already know that. But shit. Well, yeah, yo, let me show you something, man. There's one car here that I'm actually planning on working on. I'm gonna take it from my boy. In due time though, you know, let me just finish working on my daily. And once I get done with my daily, I got a little project I'm trying to work on. Right here, man. 135i. Look at this. Look at this, man. It needs a lot of repairing. But yo, this is right here. This is I'm trying to work on this for next summer, man. I'm saying this is gonna be the build for next summer. I ain't gonna lie. Definitely gonna work on that. Let's look at the inside right quick. You know what I'm saying? Obviously manual, you know what I'm saying? Gotta drive manual. 135. It's a little beat. I ain't gonna lie, glass broke. Oh, let me turn the brightness up in here. There you go. Gotta look at the inside, man. Obviously it's manual, you know what I'm saying? You need that. Little glass back there broken. Gonna have to do the roof. Window out there missing. Bunch of shit gonna have to be done, but hey, this is definitely project car to go, man. Nice little sport vibes. And look at the rims on these motherfuckers. Look at the rims on these bags, motherfuckers. The bag's dented too. That's a whole other fix right there, you know what I'm saying? Just a bunch of fucking shit I need to get done. But yeah, man, that's gonna be a project car. So I can go sliding and shit. I'm still gonna slide in my daily. It's rear wheel driven, so I mean rear wheel drive. I'm still gonna slide in it. You know what I'm saying? Shut the y'all trying to figure out some shit, bro. One thing at a time. Got the bolt back there. Summer's coming in, so I gotta hit the bolt. Oh yeah, something like that. You got mechanic Frenchie in the cut. You know you can't get it, eh?
That shit's fully gripping onto it and like not a lot of wiggle.
A few moments later.
Yeah, this is my dog's Frenchie car, you know what I'm saying? It's my dog's whip, you know what I'm saying? Doing a little work on it. Got mechanical Frenchie in the cut. Trying to change. I'm telling you, it's hot, bro. You're trying to burn yourself. You can touch it. You're gonna burn yourself, my boy. You need a rag, yeah. If you have a rag, maybe you can probably do it. But yeah, I'm telling you, you have to wait for it to cool down and shit. Well, yeah, man. This is the car. I'll show you guys the inside. See what.
Come on.
Look at this guy, man. But yeah, man, it's the inside of his car. He did a few upgrades up here. I ain't even gonna lie in here. You got the M Sport steering wheel. Got the big screen in there. You know what I'm saying? You got the big screen. He had his car detailed, so it's pretty. Let me jump in here right quick. It's pretty nice. You know what I'm saying? Got the big ass fucking screen. Nice steering wheel. Oh, you got the shit detailed. Just looking clean as fuck in here. Baby seat. Shout out Armani. Oh yeah, you know, sunroof open. Fucking nice in here, man. Fucking nice in here, man.
Bimmer shit.
Nigga, fuck you, man. Look at this Bimmer hater, man. Look at this guy right here, man. All he drives is the big bodies, man. His favorite thing, bro. Big bodies, man. Hates on Beamers, man. Says Beamer shit all the time and shit. But hey. Oh, but yeah, this is French's car. F30 boys. You know? F30 boys, man. F30 boys, man. Also got some carbon over here. So I need to do a few more things.
You know what you guys are doing, right?
3 weeks later.
Man, oh man, it's been about a month and some change. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's see if this car starts, man. What's up over them? Look at this. Service due. Fasten seatbelt for safety. Fuck niggas. So yeah, man. It's been, hold on, you recording? It's been about a month and some change. You know what I'm saying? After I dropped it off from the shop last time, you know what I'm saying, was making all them type of noise. Still making them noise. I'm about to go, you know what I'm saying, fix it right now. But basically, when I took it to the shop, I told him to do a full diagnosis of the car so I can find out exactly what's going on with the car, right? So he went ahead and did that, and then he gave me a list of a bunch of stuff that I needed to do. I gotta get new brakes, new tires, which I already knew I needed those. And then that clunking noise we were hearing earlier, when I showed y'all earlier, you hear that again? Yeah, that's my control arms. I gotta get both of my lower control arms, my lower front control arms are replaced, which I'm about to go do right now. And I also had to change my my left back rear wheel bearing. I'm saying that shit was a little fucked up. Kept making a bunch of noises and shit. And then my speed sensor wasn't plugging into the spindle up over there, because I'm saying that shit was rotted. So I had to replace that. I mean, I had to replace a bunch of shit I just did. And actually I ended up replacing the belt. You know what I'm saying? I got that replaced. And then now I have to go in and try and do these control arms right now. So that's what I'm basically heading to go do. You know what I'm saying? Fuck, man. Back to working on the car, man. That's why it took me a month and a half to start this video again, because I was like, man, it's not for me to talk about. Oh, and I got new front grills. So I remember those grills were broken. I only had one, a random one. I bought a new one, and I got a new emblem for the front. So I'm gonna try to put those on today too. But yeah, right now I'm just driving to the shop. You know what I'm saying? So when I get there, I'll pick the camera back up and I'll show you guys what the vibes is, you know? My coolant, I ended up finding out my cooling lid fucking broke. So this fucking shit is clogged, it's stuck there. I can't even check my fucking coolant, which is fucking dumb. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna have to fix that too, you know what I'm saying? There's a bunch of few shit I gotta fix, I'm not gonna lie, but you know, it's a work in progress, man. Holy, I feel like I'm driving in a fucking wheelbarrow. The boys still at work, man. Look how dirty this fucking engine bay is, bro. Oh, fuck. Fuck, man. Can't get a break with this motherfucking car, bro. Yeah, man, we're at the shop now. See the vibe, man. Here, man. Bimmer, man. This is another one. Yeah, bro. Bro, we can't get on.
So what are you trying to do first?
Fuck, bro. Yo, control are probably important, because yo, the way it's driving, fam, I ain't gonna lie. Like, it's shaky, bro. Like, very shaky, bro. Can't go nowhere. I can't drive it nowhere like that. Impossible. That's, I think, like, that's one. And then, yo, the light. Yo, can we put the fucking thing? What? Oh, yeah, we need that in. That's important, because, yo, bro, when I'm driving, bro, everything is smacking that, man. Everything's flying and it's smacking and... Fuck. Let's go see what he's about. So we got the fucking shop, man. You see the vibe over here, man.
Can you like do some physical labor today?
Oh, yeah, I'll work. Nigga. Yeah. What?
Okay, the jack. Can you drag it over beside Travis?
Alright. Somebody will do some labor today, man. Yeah, how much you paying me an hour?
Negative fucking $10.
Fucking douchebag. Well, bro, got me doing some fucking labor today, man. I pull this, bring this to the fucking car. It's good, bro. Yeah, finally, you want to work on my car, man. Camera. Yeah, bro, I'm vlogging now. No way. Yeah, bro. Sorry, dude. Stand. Yo, I have it in my bag. I have to take it. I know. I'm carrying like this for right now, but I know this stand, right? But yeah, man. Some labor work today, man. But yeah, anyways, that was a little workout. But yeah, man, we are over here, man. This is my other boy's car. Shit got fucked up. I'm saying, he bought another one. It's over there. I'll show you guys in a bit, but we about to take all these parts, and I'm saying these are all parts now. I'm saying we got a whole parts car. Shout out. Shout out my nigga Shaba, man. I'm saying he's finna take. He's gonna take all these wheels. Holy fuck! Smells like something died over here. Woo! What the fuck died over here? Something deaf died. I smell like I got a whiff of dead animal. The fuck? But anyways, he's gonna take these wheels and go put it on his car. Caps, mirror caps. Put it in his car. He has a few things I need to do. His interior is very nice. I ain't even gonna lie. They all on the vibes, man. Come on.
Suck it up, man.
Bad bitch, you from the D. Talking about saucy, where you at? Brand new Glock, it stays on me. Motion boys, no, I cannot laugh. I'm with Honcho, with no Rangos. Catching up and we leaving flat. Hit the strip, then we toss some ones. Paying host wish, been doing that. So much dough just come and goes. Swapping out the card, I'm gonna get some more. Check your phone, I just sent the link. Click that shit, I'm gonna spend some more. Brand new whip, got it out the store. Glizzy made him lean like a portal 4. Had a boy licking, had to mop the floor. Heard the fast coming, so I had to go.